The noise hasn't stopped. I'm only doing like 6.8. Feels faster, but it's only 6.8. Like I was hoping 9. Heading for that marker, or at least that radio tower, or that marker there. That should get me to back into Blind Bight. Set up a reef system. Do we only have one reef point? Are you kidding? There's only one reef point on this mainsail. That is ridiculous. No, it needs another reef point. Deeper. Up there. How many battens down? 2, third batten down needs a reef point. No question. It has to have a reef point. I'm spilling a lot of wind on the main. The main should probably be reefed. This traveler system doesn't go down far enough because lines are too short. 20 hours of wind. Probably should work out. Good time as any to work out a reef system. This boat makes weird noises, like howling, and this water splashes up for that trunk, which actually makes its way into the bilge. He hasn't sealed that trunk properly. I wonder where that water was coming from. The future's looking pretty good with this humongous main, which I don't think is. Where the heck is Blind Bight? Over there, I think. I put a reef in the main because it was just too much, and I really should douse that head sail and put a smaller one up. But yeah. And in these longer running backstay lines, way too short. I don't even know if that's the right place it should go. But I would have thought so. I think we'll just have a look to see how fast we're going.